Original Selters, the source of good taste, from the legendary springs in Selters on the River Lahn. Original Selters, pure and crystal clear. Its name alone is synonymous with mineral water of the finest quality, without which, now as ever, no elegant cuisine would be complete. The mineral springs were discovered as early as 1000 AD on the northern slope of the Taunus Mountains. For generations a favorite beverage of emperors and kings, its great popularity began with the opening of the Auguste Victoria Spa in 1896. Original Selters makes its long journey through deep layers of rock. This voyage ensures its original purity and a harmonious mineral composition, making Original Selters a unique product of nature. Here in the Lürnberger Pools, Original Selters is brought from a depth of up to 300 meters from 9 individual springs. The bottling plant is located only 100 meters away from the Selters mineral springs. But before Original Selters is poured into the famed turquoise bottles, the iron and manganese are filtered out. The returnable bottles, one of the premium mineral water's major trademarks, are thoroughly cleansed in a very elaborate process. More than 100 years ago, Selters was bottled in clay jugs. We've retained the form of these clay jugs in the glass bottles we supply to the hotel and catering industry. Their turquoise blue color symbolizes the clarity and purity of Selters. A relief can be seen on the surface of the bottle, which portrays the many deep layers of rock through which Selters has to pass before reaching the spring. The hygienically cleansed bottles are refilled, which is environmentally friendly, then sealed and labeled, bottle for bottle, in perfect quality and freshness. Technical perfection, respect for the product, and consideration for the environment characterize the bottling of Original Selters. During the entire process, quality is always first and foremost. Thus, Selters mineral springs are always in compliance with the international DIN norm EN ISO 9001, confirming the successful introduction and implementation of an effective quality control system. And in this, Selters' in-house quality laboratory plays a key role. Every step is monitored, from incoming inspection to packaging, up to and including sampling and analysis at every stage of production. In collaboration with the renowned Fresenius Institute, the wells and springs are regularly controlled with the aid of various parameters. These permanent and meticulous quality controls, together with a great commitment of our staff, ensure that only Original Selters of the finest quality ever reaches our customers. The entire Selters selection is noble and elegant in appearance, modern yet classically ageless in design. It underlines the distinction of the premium mineral water brand that meets all the exacting demands of the hotel and catering industry. A sheer delight, both visually and flavor-wise. Original Selters has long been firmly established in international gourmet cuisine. With its 2 variations, Selters Classic and Selters Natural, Selters meets all the desires of a gourmet and connoisseur of fine wines. Original Selters is the perfect accompaniment to wine. In a study conducted by the Geisenheim department of the Rhine-Main Academy, 15 premium mineral waters were compared and tested with the most diverse wines in the world. Selters, with its 2 variations, is the only water to ever receive certification. Likewise, the German Sommelier Association and the German Wine Institute both recommend Selters as the ideal wine accompaniment. wherever in the world you may encounter original Selters. This premium mineral water is always a guarantee for crystal clear purity, highest quality, and unmistakable flavor. Original Selters, the source of good taste.